Welcome to Branch and Sky Tales, whimsical stories for little hearts. Today's tale is about a giggly hippo named Keo, whose laughter could shake the mud off a mango. But when a boy named Gooey sets a tricky trap, will Giggles win or will friendship snap? Let's find out in The Giggly Hippo. In a big green jungle, by a river so wide, lived Happy Hippo with big round sides. The queen had a baby, chubby and sweet. She named him Keo with tiny fat feet. Keo loved to giggle and play in the mud. He'd splash and roll with a great big thud. He laughed all day with gook, ook, ook. He'd laugh when he tripped or got a bit stuck. Not far away, in a little stick hut, lived a boy named Gooey with a coconut hut. Gooey said, I have a good plan. I'll catch a big hippo if I can. He dug a big hole and covered it well, with leaves and branches so no one could tell. One day the queen said, Keo, go see if Uncle likes this plant for tea. Keo walked off with a laugh and a wiggle, but whoops, fell in the hole mid-giggle. Ow, said Keo, that gave me a bump. He rubbed his nose and sat on his rump. Gooey looked down. Hooray, what luck! But Keo just laughed. He didn't feel stuck. I'll chomp your toe if you come too near. But really, he smiled from ear to ear. Keo got hungry. He sighed with a moan. I don't want to stay in this hole alone. Gooey said, make a promise to me. Come back in a year and you'll still be my... Bee? No, my hippo. Keo said, okay, let me go. I'll come back later, real slow. The hippos were sad. Keo, oh no. But he just laughed. It's a year to go. They went to a cave to ask for help. Inside lived Glinkamok with a magical yelp. Glinkamok sparkled and made a loud sound. He made Keo strong and tough all around. A year went by and Keo came back. He was big and strong and ready to snack. Gooey said, wow, and jumped on his back. So did the others with a bounce and a smack. Run, Keo, run, the riders all said. So Keo ran fast. They screamed with dread. He splashed in the river, gave a big dive. The riders flew off in a watery hive. Just kidding. They all swam and got soaked to the bone, but they laughed and sputtered all the way home. Gooey yelled, please don't toss me too. Keo laughed, swear you'll be my helper too. Now Keo laughs by the river each day with gook, ook, ook and hippos at play. And Gooey? He changed, you know. He learned that friends help hearts to grow. He visits Keo most every day to laugh, to talk, to watch hippos play. Moral of the story, real strength isn't in tricks or size. It's in kindness, laughter, and being wise. Thanks for joining us for The Giggly Hippo, where giggles, kindness, and courage save the day. If you loved this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sweet tales from Branch and Sky Tales.